In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to justify text in Elementor, which is a popular page builder plugin for WordPress. This can be really useful for making your website's text look neat and professional. By aligning your text evenly on both the left and right ends, you can give your web pages a clean and polished appearance. So, let's dive right in and see how this is done seamlessly. First, make sure that you are logged into your WordPress account and have Elementor installed and activated on your site. Once you're ready with these prerequisites, navigate to the page where you want to justify text. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor. This will load the customizable interface, displaying your page elements along with various editing options. Now, select the text element you want to adjust. When you click on the text block, you'll see the content settings on the left panel of the interface. This is where you can make adjustments to your text properties. If you'd like to justify a specific part of the text, simply highlight that section. Then, under the text editor toolbar within the left panel, you'll notice alignment options like left, center, right, and justify. Click on the Justify button, which aligns your text to both the left and right margins, creating a tidy block of text that fills the space evenly. This step ensures your text looks more organized, especially useful in sections containing large paragraphs. It's good practice to preview your changes before finalizing, to make sure that they display as intended across different devices. You can do this by clicking on the eye-shaped Preview Changes button. This will open a new tab showing how your adjustments appear on the actual site. Check on mobile and tablet view as well, to ensure your justified text maintains its look across platforms. If everything looks good, simply hit the green Update button to save your changes. If you need to make adjustments or revert your changes, you can do so at any point by selecting the text element again and adjusting the alignment accordingly in the editor. And there you have it. Justifying text in Elementor isn't just about visual perfection. It also contributes to a harmonious and user-friendly reading experience. If you're looking to apply these changes across multiple pages, remember you can always duplicate your content blocks or templates to save time. By following these steps, you're all set to create beautifully justified text sections on your WordPress site using Elementor. Keep adjusting and experimenting with your layout to find the style that best represents your brand and message. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!